Hello and welcome back to our regular expression course on Free Code Camp. This is Match Beginning String Patterns. It says prior challenges showed that regular expressions can be used to look for a number of matches. They are also used to search for patterns in specific positions in strings. In an earlier challenge, you used the caret character inside a character set to create a negated character set in the form things will not be matched. Outside of a character set, the caret is used to search for patterns at the beginning of strings. So let first string, Ricky is first and can be found. Here's our regex, Ricky. So first regex dot test returns true, and let not first, you can't find Ricky. First regex test not first because it's not first in the regex, and it would return false. Use the caret character in regex to find Cal only in the beginning of the string Ricky and Cal. So if I zoom out of here, we have this here. We're going to want to change this line, our pattern, similarly to what they did, do caret and Cal. So then we should be able to return true now because it is there in the front. Console log. So we do get true, and we did pass. So the important thing to take from here is matching, using the character to match beginning string patterns, and that's what we can do with the caret. And that is different than how we did it inside a character set to create the negated character set in the form. Here we did it there outside the character set, and that finds patterns at the beginning. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.